What is Agentic AI? Artificial intelligence is evolving rapidly. And one of the most significant developments right now is Agentic AI. So what exactly is it? Traditional AI responds to a single prompt and gives you a single output. You ask a question, it gives an answer. Agentic AI goes much further. An AI agent can pursue a goal across multiple steps, make decisions autonomously, use tools, and adapt based on what it encounters. Instead of answering one question, it can plan a research project, search the web, write a report, send emails, and update a database, all without being prompted at each step. Think of it as the difference between a calculator and an assistant. The calculator does what you tell it. The assistant understands your goal and figures out how to achieve it. Agentic AI systems are already being used in software development, customer service, research, finance, and operations. They are powered by large language models combined with the ability to use external tools and maintain context across long tasks. For professionals in technology, understanding Agentic AI is becoming essential. Roles in AI engineering, prompt engineering, and AI product management are being redefined by this shift. For organizations, Agentic AI represents a step change in automation. Tasks that required human oversight at every step can now be delegated to intelligent agents. Agentic AI is not science fiction. It is already in production at leading technology companies worldwide. Understanding it now gives you a significant advantage.